Hi children, this is Sandhya from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School going to teach 4th standard maths first lesson Samachir. Okay, what is the first lesson name? Yeah, very good. Our first lesson name is geometry. What is mean by geometry? Yeah, geometry means the study in mathematics of curves, lines, shapes, etc. are called the geometry. Today we are going to see the topic is drawing a circle using the compass. So circle eppadi draw panna compass vechi. Okay, so before going to that topic, I will tell what is circle and what are all terms related to circle. What is circle and what are all terms related to circle. So you all people know what is circle. It is 2D shape or 3D shape. Very good, yeah. It is a 2D shape. The first point is it is a 2D shape. Circle is a 2D shape. 2D shape. So what does mean by 2D shape? 2D shape means that is length and breadth. And next one is it has no sides and no corners. Circle has no sides and no corners, and circle has a center point. We keep the center point, then only we make the circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. Circle has no sides and no corners. No sides and no corners. Circle has a center point. The third point is circle has a center point. Listen children, our first point is it is a 2D shape. It has no sides and no corners, and circle has a center point. So listen here, I am going to draw one circle. This is the circle. Okay, it has a center point O. This is called as a radius OA. This is called a circle. Circle is a 2D shape. It has no sides and no corners, and circle has a center point. Next we are going to see what are all terms related to circle. Okay. Terms related to circle. The first one is center, the second one is a radius, the third one is diameter, and the fourth one is chord, and fifth one is circumference. So before going to draw the circle, first we need these terms and all. The first one is center. What is that? Center. C-E-N-T-R-E. The first one is center. The second one is a radius. R-A-D-I-U-S, and the third one is diameter. D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R. Center, radius, diameter, chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord, and circumference. C-I-R-C-U-M-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. So the first one is center, the second one is radius, the third one is diameter, and the fourth one is chord, and fifth one is circumference. Next we will see what is center, what is radius, what is diameter, what is chord, and what is circumference. So listen children. The first one is center. What is mean by center? The point O inside the circle is called the center. The point O inside the circle is called the center. The first one is center. The point O inside the circle is called the point O inside the circle is called the center. Inside the circle is called the center. called the center. Okay children, the point O inside the circle is called the center. So now you listen, draw one circle. This is circle and the point O inside the circle is called the center. So this is called the center. Next we are going to see what is radius. So radius means in Tamil they used to say Aram. Okay, so listen here. The next one is radius. So what does mean by radius? The line segments drawn from the center to any point on the circle. The line segments drawn from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius. The line segment drawn from center to any point on the circle. Center to any point on the circle. So what is radius? The line segments drawn from center to any point on the circle. Any point on the circle is called the radius. So listen children, now I am going to draw the radius figure. So draw one circle. So this is the circle. What does mean by radius? A line segments drawn from center to any point on the circle. Now I am going to give the center point. So this is center. Okay, a line segments drawn from center to any point on the circle. So this is, and this is, and this is, and this is. So it is called as O, A, B, C, D. Here OA, OB, OC, OD are called radius. In the circle all the radius are equal in length. Okay, in the circle all the radius are equal in length. Next we are going to see what is that? Yeah, very good. That is diameter. The next one is diameter. So diameter means the line segments drawn through the center that joins 2 points on the circle. The line segments, diameter, the line segments, the line segment drawn through the center, drawn through the center that joins 2 points on the circle, that joins 2 points on the circle. 2 points on the circle is called the diameter. 2 points on the circle. So listen children, what is diameter? The line segments drawn through the center that joins 2 points on the circle is called the diameter. Now I am going to draw the diameter. Listen here. First you will draw one circle. Okay, and then keep one center point. Now the diameter means a line segments drawn through the center that joins 2 points on the circle. So center la irundhu oru line segment draw panna, that is called the diameter. Here AB is called the diameter. The longest chord of the circle is diameter. Next we are going to see what is chord. Chord. So the next one is chord. A line segment that joins 2 points on the circle is called the chord. The line segments that joins the line segments that joins that joins 2 point on the circle. The line segment that joins 2 point on the circle, point on the circle is called the chord. The line segment that joins 2 points on the circle is called the chord. Now I am going to draw and show you what is chord. Okay. So listen children, draw one circle. So in this circle itself, now I am going to draw the chord. For example, this is and this is called as the chord. This is L, M and this is P, Q. Okay, so that joins or 2 lines join pannuchna, that is chord. Next we are going to see circumference. Circumference means the length of the circle is called the circumference. Next we are going to see circumference. Next we are going to see circumference. So what does mean by circumference? Circumference means the length of the circle is called the circumference. Circumference, C-I-R-C-U-M-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Circumference means the length of the circle is called the circumference. Length of the circle is called the circumference. Circle is called the length of the circle is called the circumference. So full length find பண்றது தான் என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா circumference. So take one circle. So this is circle. Now circumference means the length of the circle is called the circumference. The length of the circle is called the circumference. So listen children, what are all terms related to circle? The first one is center, the second one is radius, the third one is diameter, the fourth one is chord and the fifth one is circumference. Next, now we separate up. Now we are see this terms related to circle. The first one is center. The center point, the point O inside the circle is called the center. And the next one is a radius. Radius means the line segments drawn from center to any point on the circle. So here radius. And next one is diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle, and then all the radius of your circles are equal. And next one is chord. This is called as the chord. 2 line segment join panna, that is called as the chord, and fully will find means that is circumference. Okay. Next we are going to see drawing a circle using the compass. Listen children, now we are going to see draw a circle of a radius 5 centimeter using the compass. Okay, so this is compass, this is a geometrical instrument, right? So this is called as needle and this is called as pencil holder. Now we will take a ruler and take 5 centimeter. Already I took 5 centimeter. Now I am going to draw the circle. Listen children, now we got the circle. Now I am going to write the center point. This is O, and then I will join the radius. You should keep the scale and join this one. This is OA equal to 5 centimeter. OA equal to how much centimeter? 5 centimeter. Next we are going to see the procedure. So procedure means if நம்ம என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணோமோ அதுதான் procedure. What is the first step? The first step is, so take the compass and then insert the pencil. Correct. And next step is using the ruler to take 5 centimeter radius. The next one is put the metal tip on the center point. Then move the compass around keeping the metal tip center. Finally we got the circle. So that one only procedure. Now we are going to write the procedure. The first point, procedure, P-R-O-C-E-T-U-R-E. Step 1. Step 1, the first point is fix a pencil in the compass holding arm. Fix a pencil in the compass holding arm. That is our first point. So write fix a pencil in the compass. Fix a pencil in the compass. Fix a pencil in the compass holding arm. Correct? No, that is our first procedure. Holding arm. Next, using the ruler to take a 5 centimeter radius. So, scale keep and take the 5 centimeter radius. That is step 2. So, step 2, using the ruler to take a 5 centimeter radius. To take how many centimeter radius? 5 centimeter radius. The next one is step 3. So, what is the step 3? So, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், compass note la வெச்சோம். So, put the metal tip on the center point O. Put the metal tip on the center point O. So, that is step 3. Put the metal tip on the center point. Metal tip on the center point. On the center point. So, the center point name is O. Center point O. And next, finally, step 4. Step 4. Move the compass around keeping the metal tip center, then we get the circle. Around keeping the metal tip center. Move the compass around keeping the metal tip center, then finally we get the circle. We get the circle. So, listen children, the first point is fix a pencil in the compass holding arm. A second point is using the ruler to take 5 centimeter radius. A third point is put the metal tip on the center point O. And fourth point is move the compass around keeping the metal tip center. Then finally you got the circle. Okay. Next we will see example. The radius of your circle is 8 centimeter. Find the diameter. The radius of your circle is 8 centimeter and find the diameter. So, diameter means that is 2 times of radius. Now, we are going to write the radius of the circle. Here, the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is what centimeter? That is 8 centimeter. So, write a radius equal to 8 centimeter. Radius equal to 8 centimeter. So, the formula diameter equal to 2 times of radius. So, now we are going to take a 2 and multiply by 8. Okay. So, the radius value is 8. So, write 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16 centimeter. So, finally write the answer. Diameter equal to 16 centimeter. So, 2 times of radius is called the diameter. Next, we are going to see the another example. The diameter of the circle is 76 centimeter. Find the radius. The diameter of the circle is 76 centimeter. So, write the diameter value is 76. What is the diameter value? The diameter value is 76 centimeter. Now, we are going to find the radius. Radius means that is half of the diameter. So, write diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. Here, the diameter value is 76. So, take a 76 divided by 2. Take a 76 divided by 2. First, here we got 1 digit number, 2 table. Here too will take one digit number. Okay, so now you take two table, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So here we got 6 and 8. Take the smallest number. Why? Because division is the repeated subtraction. So take the smallest number. 3 twos are 6. Now we are going to subtract this. So what is the answer? 7 minus 6, the answer is 1. Then you should bring down another 6. In 2 table of 16? Yes. How many times? 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So 8 2s are 16. Now 16 minus 16, the answer is 0. So the final answer, radius equal to 38 centimeter. Radius equal to what answer? 38 centimeter. So listen children, in this section what you have learned. The first question is, all the radius of the circles are? Very good. All the radius of circles are equal. So the first answer is equal. And the second question is, the dash is the longest chord of the circle. What is the answer? Very good. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter. D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R. Our third question is, a line segment joint any point on the circle is called the? Very good. That is radius. R-A-D-I-U-S. Radius. Our fourth question is, a line segment with its end points on the circle is called the chord. C-H-O-R-D. And the fifth question is, twice the radius is called the diameter. Twice the radius is called the diameter. Okay. Next listen children, in this section you have learned drawing a circle using the compass. So before that topic, I will explain what is circle and what are all terms related to circle and what is the procedure, and then how to find the radius and diameter. In this below description, we have attached study material, question bank, and then this both based on only I asked the assessment work. So my dear students, do the assessment work, keep this video. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.